Hello, friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a leftover rice crust pizza. Wondering what to do with that leftover cooked rice? Use it to make the base of this very yummy pizza. I'm in love with this pizza. The base is crunchy on the bottom and it was really tasty. You can combine with the chosen toppings and mozzarella cheese, and you can enjoy it with no guilt, as the base is very healthy and I'm sure you'll like it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! To make our recipe today, we will need 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon grounded pepper, 1 teaspoon Eno, also known as fruit salt, 1 tablespoon of a garlic paste, 1 tablespoon mixed herbs, 1 tablespoon of a ginger paste, 200 grams mozzarella cheese, 6 to 8 baby tomatoes, 1 big green bell pepper, 200 ml pizza sauce, 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons corn, 2 boiled and mashed potatoes, 1 small onion, 200 grams mature cheddar cheese, 350 grams leftover rice, half a cup of water, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons semolina, also known as suji, and 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now, to make our dough, we're going to add in our leftover rice. In this you can use any rice, normal rice which you have, basmati rice, broken rice, any kind of rice which you have. And we're just making the batter now. You can make it in this machine if you have it, but if you don't, then you can knead it by hand. It's very simple. Now we're going to add in our semolina, also known as suji. Our boiled and mashed potatoes, freshly chopped coriander, grounded pepper, mixed herbs, chili flakes, ginger paste, and garlic paste, along with our plain yogurt, and water, and now we're going to blend it. This is how it looks like when it's blended. You can do this in a mixture blender as well if you don't have one of these. Then we're just going to remove it in a bowl. And add some salt. And mix it well. If you like our videos, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. Now we're going to add in our Eno, also known as fruit salt, and then pour in just 1 spoon of hot water to activate the Eno. And then we're going to mix it well. Now we're going to take a heated pan and pour in 1 tablespoon of our olive oil. Then we're going to add in our batter, depending on how thick or thin you want your pizza base to be. We're going to spread it evenly into a round circle. If you want yours to be crispy, then you can make it thinner. Then we're going to cover it and cook it on a low to medium flame for around 8 minutes. We've flipped it over and now we need it to cook on the other side. So we're just going to add in around 1 tablespoon of oil and then put on our pizza sauce. If you like our recipes, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos. Now we're going to top our pizzas up with some onions. We're also going to go in with some baby tomatoes, corn, sliced green bell peppers, some cubes of mozzarella cheese, and some grated cheese on top. Now we're going to cover it and cook it again for 7 to 8 minutes. It's been 7 minutes now, and as you can see, all the cheese is melted. If you want your cheese to have a nice golden brown colour on top, then you can put it into the oven. We're going to do that now. So for that, we're just going to take our pizza and remove it onto a plate. Then we're going to put it into the oven for a couple of minutes. If you like our videos, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!